As you know, today is very special occasion in our school, and I am very thankful to my teachers who elected me to share my views in front of you. Today, the topic of my speech is women education. Dear sir, women education is very important in Pakistan because education is very important for all people. It is the best source to inculcate civilization amongst the human beings. Being Muslims, we should further promote the education to the maximum extent so that we can also fulfill the religious application of being Muslim. What the President in Pakistan, education is very relevant and children are not being educated properly. And when we talk about the women, then the situation is even worse. People don't send their children to schools and rather educating them. They prefer boys to learn how to work and their girls to learn the work of house so that the earning and working hands might increase. Dear sir, the trend of providing education to women in Pakistan is minute, and when we talk about the northern and tribal areas, their literacy rate of women is just 37%, which is very low. So the people should understand and acknowledge the necessity and importance of educating the women. Dear sir, the very basic importance to educate the women is that it is their fundamental right as per the religion Islam. As Islam has given the right of acquiring education to everybody irrespective of being male or female. So if we stop or restrict the woman from education, it means we are avoiding the laws of religion, which is not acceptable. So instead of being culprit in the concept of the religion, we should promote the education to both males and females equally. Dear sir, education to women is necessary so that they can attain equality. It is prerequisite for religion, as without religion, the social objectives can't be achieved. The social legislation have given them political, economic, social and religious rights, but merely giving them rights does not motivate them to avail these rights to their benefit. The law may give them the right to select their own life partner and to divorce the husband who humiliates them, torture them, or exploits them. But how may women insist on using this right? This is merely because illiteracy has made them stick to traditional thinking. Lack of covering them from initiatives for a bold step. Education will make them liberal and broad-minded and change their attitudes, values, and role perception. In the last, I shall finish my speech with sharpity and will take mercy. मुसाइब में उलझकर मुस्कुराना मेरी फितरत है. मुसाइब में उलझकर मुस्कुराना मेरी फितरत है. मुझे तो नाकामियों पर अश्क बरसाना नहीं आता. That's all, Mr. President. Thanks.
नाकामियों पे अश्क